System Design Human Mindset, for RDBMD vs DNN Network. Designing systems that align with the human mindset is a fascinating endeavor, especially when comparing relational database management systems, RDBMS, and deep neural networks, DNNs. Here's a conceptual breakdown of the system design approach and how each relates to how humans think and process information. Brain T Human Mindset vs System Design, RDBMS vs DNN. Aspect Human Mindset RDBMS, Structured Thinking, DNN, Cognitive/Intuitive Thinking. Thinking style logical, sequential, rule-based mimics left brain thinking, analytical, linear mimics right brain thinking, associative, intuitive. Information storage organized in categories, schema, tables, rows, columns, highly structured weights, layers, activations, unstructured. Memory retrieval precise recall based on Q-SQL queries, precise and deterministic pattern matching, probabilistic and fuzzy. Learning style explicit, step-by-step learning requires defined schemas and constraints learns from large data, adapts with experience. Decision-making rule-driven plus experience rule-based, example where, join, group by, experience-driven, example training epochs. Error tolerance can tolerate ambiguity and fill gaps low tolerance, errors in schema or query break the system high tolerance, errors contribute to learning and adaptability. Use case examples filling forms, planning, rule-following tasks accounting systems, ERP, HRMS image recognition, NLP, forecasting. Explainability seeks reasons and logic highly explainable, acid properties, low explainability, black box. Speed of learning slow but deep fast with small data, but rigid slow with large data, but flexible and powerful. Hammer and wrench system design considerations. Card file box RDBMS centric system design. Architecture, 3-tier, presentation, application, database. Schema, predefined and normalized. Scalability, vertical scaling preferred. Human alignment, suits processes requiring traceability, auditability, structured reporting. Best for, banking, HR, CRM, logistics. Brain DNN-centric system design. Architecture, layered neural network, input, hidden, output. Learning, supervised/unsupervised/deep reinforcement. Scalability, horizontal scaling, GPU/TPU clusters. Human alignment, suits tasks requiring perception, generalization, prediction. Best for, vision systems, voice assistants, predictive analytics. Lightbulb mindset-driven system selection. Human role best fit Y. Data entry operator RDBMS precision, structured input. Data scientist DNN handles ambiguity, predicts patterns. Finance analyst RDBMS requires historical tracking and audit. AI researcher DNN learns and improves over time. Puzzle piece hybrid approach, human-inspired design. Use RDBMS for structured storage and compliance. Use DNN for pattern recognition, prediction, and automation. Combine both in AI-enabled enterprise systems. Example, use RDBMS for employee records, DNN for predicting attrition risk. Example, RDBMS for invoice data, DNN for fraud detection. Writing hand quote for inspiration. The human mind is neither a rigid table nor a fuzzy net, it is a dynamic interplay between logic and intuition. Adapted for system architects. This image presents a simplified conceptual comparison between relational database management systems, RDBMS, and deep neural networks, DNN, framed within the broader context of the human mindset. Here's a breakdown from an architect's point of view. Core concepts. Human mindset, central icon. This represents the overarching goal of both RDBMS and DNN, to emulate or work in tandem with human cognitive abilities. It highlights the human-centric nature of these technologies. RDBMS, left. O icon, stack cylinders representing structured data storage. O description, emphasizes structured storage and compliance. This points to the RDBMS's strength in organizing and managing data in a predefined, rule-based manner, ensuring data integrity and adherence to regulations. DNN, right. O icon, interconnected nodes representing a neural network. O description, highlights pattern recognition, prediction, and automation. This emphasizes the DNN's ability to learn complex patterns from data, make predictions, and automate tasks. Double-headed arrow, this signifies the bidirectional relationship between RDBMS and DNN. It suggests that they are not mutually exclusive but can be complementary and integrated. Architectural implications. From an architect's perspective, this image raises several key considerations. Choosing the right tool for the job, the architect needs to understand the specific requirements of the problem. If the focus is on structured data management, compliance, and transactional integrity, RDBMS is the appropriate choice. If the focus is on complex pattern recognition, prediction, and automation, DNN is more suitable. Hybrid architectures. The image suggests that a hybrid approach combining RDBMS and DNN could be beneficial. For example, an RDBMS could be used to store and manage structured data, while a DNN could be used to analyze that data for insights and predictions. Data integration and interoperability. The architect must consider how to effectively integrate data between RDBMS and DNN. This may involve data transformation, data warehousing, and API design. Scalability and performance. The architect needs to ensure that the chosen architecture can scale to meet the demands of the application and deliver the required performance. Security and governance. Data security and governance are crucial considerations for both RDBMS and DNN. The architect must ensure that appropriate security measures are in place and that data is handled in a compliant manner. AI/ML integration. The image underscores the growing importance of integrating AI/ML capabilities into data-driven applications. The architect needs to be familiar with the latest AI/ML technologies and best practices. Overall, the image highlights the architectural challenge of bridging the gap between traditional data management systems, RDBMS, and cutting-edge AI technologies, DNN, to create intelligent and efficient solutions that align with the human mindset and address real-world problems. The architect's role is to design and implement systems that leverage the strengths of each technology while addressing their limitations. Thank you.